So after finding all of the thumbnails generator that available in online, I found this AI thumbnail generator is the best one, and this is replacing my editor. All the thumbnails that I make right now is just using this tool, and as myself using this tool, I'm going to recommend you, and let me show you how easy to make a thumbnail using this tool. So you just need to go to any browser. For my case, I'm going to use my Chrome, and this is the name of the thumbnail designer. It's deshilabs.com. So inside this, you will go to the AI tools. Here you will find this tool, YouTube thumbnail generator. So basically this is very easy drag and drop system. So as you can see, you can insert a person image, then a additional image that you want to implement inside the thumbnail, and also there are some text that you want to put on here, or some subtitle that you want to maybe in a small text. So let me show you an example. So for person image, I'm going to use my own face. So the problem with other AI tools that they are not giving your photo that you want to insert. They are giving some random people, or maybe some other character in cartoon style or other style. But in in these tools, you can use your own face, and you can make different kind of expression through your own face. Let me show you example. So this is my face, and I'm going to use some additional images. Let's say I'm going to use this photo from my university. This is the group discussion event. So I'm just going to use this one, and if I want to use one more photo, I can also use this one. Let's say I'm going to use this one also. So these two photo is combining with my face. So now I'm going to just give a title, and here I will give. So it's basically a day in life as a student in a Italian university, and I'm going to with the subtitle at University of Pisa. So this is my life as a student in Italian university, and the university is study University of Pisa. So here you can add a custom prompt. From custom prompt, I'm just going to add a smiling expression on my face. So as you can see, this is my photo. This is normal, just mouth closed photo. If I want, I can smiling, I can make crying, I can make shocked, and anything else, something like this. So this is our simple basic. You don't have to be a prompt engineer or anything else. This is the easiest way. And just click on generate thumbnails, and just wait for a few seconds, and let me show you the magic how this tool can make such a beautiful thumbnail. I'm just wow with the output. So let me wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, we have get the first result, and as you can see, this is the 8 day in life in a Italian university at University of Pisa. If I just click on download, you can download PNG or JPG. If you want, you can add your custom logo just by clicking here. You can upload a logo and place it anywhere you want. You can also a custom text. Then you can also just reduce the opacity, or you can just remove it and just download it the thumbnails just from here. So let me show you the output how it looks. So as you can see, we have my face with a smiley face, and we have the glow in the background, and also the photo that I implemented inside the uh, additional images. You can see this photo here, and this is the University of Pisa, I mean the Pisa Tower. So it's a complete thumbnail. Let me generate a one more. So I'm just going to remove this photo. I'm just going to use a single photo, and then just click on here, or maybe I can just change the smiling to shocked. Okay, I'm just going to use here the shocked face, not a smiling one, and let's see how it turn out. So as you can see here, we have the another output. So this is my photo, and it's another generated photo. This automatically generated by AI. So this is, you can see the background, everything is different now. And so if I generate one more, I'll be getting another very good result. So this thumbnail generator is something else. So they are using the latest technology, and the output is really good. You don't have to explain everything. Based on the data you give here, they will give you a perfect output here. So if you don't get the perfect aspect ratio, you can just hit generate once again, and it will give you the perfect output. So this is the way how you can get the best result using this tool. And you can also play with the text on the thumbnails, or maybe the video topic. You can get some suggestion from ChatGPT what should be the title. So this is, you can see, this is another beautiful thumbnail that generated by AI. So I just uploaded a few things. I mean, there's someone playing guitar. It's not the perfect one, but as you can see, if you want to just try some few more times, it will be really perfect thumbnails for your project. And all the thumbnails that you see on my channel recently is made with this tool. So I hope you can check out this tool from my link in the description. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. And if you have any question related to this tool, please let me know in the comment section. So thanks for watching.